the shore. The saxophone glides in soft and warm. Bass drops deep, steady like the ocean's heart. Guitar skanks on the offbeat. Drums and percussion move like waves on the sand. Leaving Jamaica, she stepped on the boat with the wind in her hair. A smile on her face, no worry, no fear. From Kingston's lights to the ocean wide, she's chasing freedom on the rising tide. Sunset shining on her skin so bright, she whispers dreams to the fading night. Jamaica, my love, you taught me to be free. Now the world is calling out to me. Sailing to Madagascar, sailing, sailing on the wings of the Caribbean seas. Dreaming, dreaming of a life where her spirit runs free. From Jamaica's rhythm to Madagascar's shore, she's finding herself more and more. Journey across the ocean, the stars above draw a map in the sky, guiding a boat as the days pass by. The trumpet sings like a promise of hope. Saxophone echoes as the waves gently soak. Island girl with a fire inside, learning the world as she learns to glide. Freedom dances in her eyes tonight, like moonlight shining on the tide. Celebration of freedom. Oh, she feels the reggae beat within, a heartbeat calling from deep within. Drums of freedom, winds of grace, she moves with the rhythm, finds her place. Every island teaches something new. Every sunrise paints a brighter hue. Sailing to Madagascar, she's sailing, sailing on the wings of the Caribbean sea. She's dreaming, dreaming of a life where her spirit runs free. From Jamaica's rhythm to Madagascar's shore, she's finding herself more and more. Sailing, sailing on the wings of the Caribbean sea. She's dreaming, dreaming of a life where her spirit runs free. From Jamaica's rhythm to Madagascar's shore, she's finding herself more and more. Trumpets rise like a joyful chant. Saxophone sings everything she can't. Bassline deep like the roots she knows, as her spirit blooms and grows, all the way to Madagascar's glow.